All right, so one of the things I want to do, one of my bucket list projects, is to make a roguelike game. So I am in the process of making something like that and learning about how to do that. But I was curious if Copilot could write a minimal version of this. And so I asked it, and these are the results. Um, I asked it to make a minimal, complete roguelike game that's heavily commented. And let me copy and paste this code. I did it on my phone, just out of the blue, and so I had to email it to myself to get the code. But here it is. All right. Let's save that. Let's go to the top. So this, I mean, this is crazy. It did it. Let's see if it runs. There's my old code. All right, here we go. Right there. Let's do that. All right, I saved it. Let's go over here and compile this. CL. If you're in a Windows environment and you got the C++ build tools, then you can just run CL on here. Maybe I'll do a video later on getting that environment set up if people out there want to do that. So CL, it's called Junker C. Let's see what happens here. So it doesn't compile. Um, so this is a linker error. So that means the code compiled, but then it failed to link. And it would be in this here. Something in the show window referenced in function set full screen. So you can see that I ran this earlier, set full here. Let's go ahead and find that. There it is right there, set full screen. I ran this, but the sound didn't work. So I'm having to redo this. Okay, so see, it says right here on modern Windows versions, blah, 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 let's do tries. Yeah, well, so what this is when we compiled this, I wasn't sure if it needed, if it was using any Win32 APIs. If so, we probably needed to compile the lib with it. So if we do Junker and user32lib, which is what I suspected to begin with, um, and then it goes away. So once we do that, what can we do here? We can run it. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Junker. There. There we go. This is impressive. That's a complete dungeon. But I have no mouse. No. Why do I have no mouse? All right. Let's do this three finger salute because everything's locked up. I can't do anything. Oh, there it is. Never mind. We got it. But it has taken control. Let's do a Q. Quit. Okay. Got that. Quit the game. Okay, I have no mouse. Where is it? Okay. Press any key to exit. It is not doing it. So that is not good. It is not closing. Okay. Three finger salute, control, delete, if you know what that means. Task manager. We need to kill this sucker. Where's it at? Junker. Junkers. Or actually, it'll be a console. Terminal. Give me that. Give me that sucker there. Console window, PTY Windows terminal host. I have no idea. Let's do that one. In task. There we go. All right. So that is not good. But that was impressive there. You know what we're going to do though? I have a feel. I don't want to. Let's just do this. That set full screen, it's obviously not working. So let's go ahead and comment it out and recompile. So now it's commented out. Let's see what happens now. So now we run. Okay, so we got our full um, mouse control now. So we can get out of it, blah, blah. Okay, so everything works normal now. We just had to uh, take that one out, comment it out. So as you can see, look at this. The M's are monsters. Now this is an old dungeon crawl game from the, I think, late 70s or something like that. Way back in the old days. I think it was written on like mini computers or mainframes. But this is the at sign. That's the player. And if I do it uses AWSD as controls. So A is left, W up, S down, and D is right. So if I press D, see how I move the A or the at sign? Now I can go down by pressing S. And see here I got hit points of 20. Now if I run into a monster, you take a hit. Let me see if I lose. There we go. See, I'm pressing down. I lost some hit points, see? But I killed the monster. Let's go up. Let's go to another monster. Bam. Now I got 16 hit points. Ah. Now there's no treasure or anything in this because it's minimal. This is super impressive. If this thing can ever, if you can ever teach these LLMs, train them on your business models, your business requirements, system design, I mean, yeah, this is game over. This is game over for software developers, unless you're a senior and you can, uh, do like I just did and kind of fix this stuff. Because it's not going to be perfect, but it's super close to just functional out of the gate, and that's what we're looking at. This is the future. There's no more, going through books and online tutorials, stuff like this. You just go into Copilot like I did, give it a prompt. It'll spit out. I mean, it took like 5 or 6 seconds for it to think and then spit this stuff out. Um, this is just super cool. Now obviously we'll have to get rid of the blinking, stuff like this. Um, but yeah, this is awesome stuff, and you really need to embrace this if you're a developer right now, or if you're just getting into this. Go ahead and just just get into this. Start playing with it. Get your prompts down, and yeah, that's it. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.